All right, here is an example of using arithmetic sequence and series to do an application problem. So example 6, modeling total residential community costs over a 6-year period. Your grandmother has assets of $500,000. One option that she is considering involves an adult residential community for a 6-year period beginning in 2014. And this is our model. So highlight here. Starts in 2014 for 6 years, and this is her model. So think of that as your general formula. Describes the yearly adult residential community costs for N years after 2013. Does your grandmother have enough money to pay for the facility? So one way to do this is to start finding how much it costs every year. So you could substitute 1 in for N. So 1,800 times 1 plus 64,130. 1,800 plus 64,130. The cost of that first year to her is $65,930. Then you would find the value of year 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, and then add up those costs and see, will it be less than her $500,000 that she has left. So what we're going to do is find the value of term 1 and the value of term 6 the last year. So I'm going to take 1,800, substitute 6 in for N, and I get the cost that last year that she's in her residential community. So this is the value of her first year and then 6 years later. So we're going to be using the summation formula. So the summation formula, if you remember, is the sum of the number of terms. So it'll be 6 years divided by 2, the value of the first year plus the value of the last year. So we're ready to go. The sum of these 6 terms, 6 divided by 2, it costs $65,930 for the first year, and then $74,930 for the cost of that last year, year 6. And then we're going to simplify using our orders of operation. So the sum of these 6 terms, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Add up those values in your parentheses, 140,860. Multiply it by 3, and the cost for her to live in that community is $422,580. So is it less than $500,000? Yes. So she's able to pay for that facility for 6 years.